What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a review and flip through on the Oracle of Birds. Look at this pretty hummingbird right here. This is a fairly big box. Opens like this. I wish there were like those thumb hole things because it's a little difficult. There's no ribbon, so you gotta pop it out like that. There's this weird box thing that holds the cards, which are slipping and sliding. This is the book. This is the back. Your light is as free as a bird, forever free. Oh, there's little like leaves and stuff back there. It is not colored, but at least they have little images. They are Oracle card size, comfortable to hold in the hands because it's not too many cards. As far as cardstock goes, it is very flexible. It has more flexibility than it does sturdiness. It's also a glossy finish. Not the super gloss, but it is glossy finish. These are the backs, which I'm not a fan of because they have like writing on them. I wish this was not there and it just had, you know, this whole back right there. Or if they're gonna do this, at least have like something different on each back. You know, then that way you have like two decks in one, right? But all of them say the same thing, which is annoying. Lift your gaze to the sky, be unique, free, and yet connected. Okay. These cards are really pretty. They're not numbered, but they are in alphabetical order when you first get the deck. Ba Sol Bird. So you have your image right here. Title of the subject or whoever's being used in the image, that would be their title. Keyword or key phrase, and then like key sentences or a little paragraph down here. These colors are very vibrant too. I don't know if my camera's doing it justice. Bird of Paradise. Look at this. This is so cool. This looks like fire coming out of it. Blackbird. I love this. The, what would that be? Moss? Growing on the tree. It kind of looks like seaweed too. A buzzard. Canary. Cormorant, I think is how you say it. Crane. Ooh, the crow. There's an eyeball right there. The cuckoo. The dove. I like how they incorporate mandalas in the artwork too. The duck. The eagle. The egg. That's cute, has little feathers around it. The falcon. Feather. Flamingo. Garuda. What does that say? Invisible and everywhere. Thunderous, blustering, and very calm wind. Weather, castle of clouds. I breathe in, I breathe out. Within and without. And you connect with me all. Breathe. Atman, I think. All one. Space in which I am with all. Interesting. I'm surprised I can read that. It's so tiny. The goose. The hen and rooster. The heron. The hummingbird, which is the same one on the box. The ibis. Oh, look at the blues in here. The jay. This is very vibrant. The kingfisher. The magpie. nest. I like how it's glowing. A nightingale. The ostrich. There's another eye. The owl. I'm surprised there's no eyes behind the owl. Ooh, pretty and colorful. The parrot. The peacock. I've never seen a peacock be like kind of upside down like that. The penguins. That's cute. There's a spirit back there. The phoenix. The pied wagtail? Is that? It's not peed, is it? Pied wagtail? I've never heard of that kind of bird. The raven. The red kite. The robin. So tiny. The seagull. The sparrow. The stork. A swallow. I like how they have, I think this is a big flower behind them. I thought it was a sun for a second. The swan. The thrush, very vibrant reds. Ooh, a thunderbird. That's cool. The tit. I didn't know that was the name of a bird. And last but not least is the woodpecker. Well, that was the flip through portion. So since this deck is glossy, it's not super glossy, so it shouldn't be like slip and sliding. There is some slipping, I'm not gonna lie, but not too much where it's annoying. So comfortable to overhand since it is Oracle card size. I'm not gonna try to shuffle this one because I don't think there's reversals in here, and I don't think I'll want to riffle it because, you know, I don't want to damage it because I suck at riffling. But let's see if we can get a card. Oh, well, there you go. We got Bird of Paradise. Higher self, vocation. Fully accept your radiant light and illuminate the world with it. Yeah, this is definitely an illuminating card. Very pretty. I love the art style here. It's making me think of watercolors. It's probably mixed media, but I definitely feel watercolor vibes in here. There's so many vibrant and vast colors in here. I love it. I like that they have keywords. They have more than one keywords. They have key phrases. Beautiful birds. Vast selection of birds in here too. Obviously, it's not all the birds that are out there, but still a good amount of variety of birds here. They have big birds, right? They have the ostrich, and they have little tiny birds like the robin. So a vast majority of birds. Really cute. I love how they use mandalas in the artwork too. This is one of those easy read oracles. Well, I feel like most oracles are easy reads, to be honest. Well, that is it for this video, guys. If you stuck to this part of the video, leave the parrot bird in the comments. That's like the most vibrant bird that I think there is as far as the emojis go. So leave the parrot emoji in the comments. That way I know that you saw up to this part of the video. Don't forget to like the videos. It helps me out a lot. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.